Have you ever wondered why some electric vehicle batteries degrade faster than others, even with identical mileage? Battery degradation is an intrinsic chemical process influenced by numerous factors, not merely charge cycles. Elevated temperatures, deep discharges, and inconsistent charging profiles significantly accelerate the internal breakdown of electrode materials and electrolyte, diminishing energy retention capacity. This complexity necessitates sophisticated management beyond basic voltage regulation. Early electric vehicles and simple battery-powered devices relied on rudimentary charging circuits. These systems often applied a constant voltage or current until a threshold was met, neglecting real-time battery conditions. This approach frequently led to overcharging, undercharging, or uneven cell wear, directly impacting battery longevity and safety. The introduction of the Electronic Control Unit, or ECU, initially centralized powertrain management. Its computational capabilities, designed for engine optimization, soon extended to critical ancillary systems. As battery technology advanced and became central to vehicle propulsion, integrating battery management within the ECU's purview became a logical, albeit challenging, progression. Initially, the ECU's role in battery charging focused on basic parameters. It regulated the alternator output in internal combustion engine vehicles or managed the AC-DC conversion in early electric vehicles, ensuring current and voltage remained within predefined safe operating limits. This preventative measure mitigated immediate catastrophic failures but offered limited optimization for long-term health. However, simple regulation proved insufficient for modern, high-capacity lithium-ion battery packs. The inherent variances between individual cells, coupled with dynamic operating conditions, demanded a smart approach. The objective shifted from merely preventing immediate damage to actively preserving battery capacity and extending operational lifespan, introducing new engineering obstacles. Modern ECUs monitor an intricate array of parameters. This includes individual cell voltages, pack current flow, and multiple temperature points across the battery module. Additionally, internal impedance measurements provide insights into the battery's chemical state and health. Accurate data acquisition is paramount for any subsequent management decisions. To translate raw data into actionable insights, ECUs employ complex algorithms for state of charge SOC and state of health SO estimation. Coulomb counting, voltage correlation, and Kalman filtering are frequently utilized, often in hybrid configurations, to model the battery's current capacity and predict its remaining lifespan. These estimations must remain robust despite measurement noise and varying operating conditions. Based on these estimations and real-time sensor data, the ECU dynamically adjusts charging strategies. This involves modulating charge rates, prioritizing specific cells, and even initiating preconditioning cycles. In hybrid and electric vehicles, the ECU also manages regenerative braking, converting kinetic energy back into electrical charge, optimizing energy capture without compromising battery integrity. Thermal management is another critical function supervised by the ECU. Batteries perform optimally within a narrow temperature range. If temperatures rise too high during rapid charging or discharge, the ECU activates cooling systems, circulating refrigerants or air. Conversely, in cold conditions, it can initiate preheating to improve charging efficiency and power delivery, preventing thermal shock. Cell balancing is essential for maximizing the usable capacity and lifespan of multi-cell battery packs. Over time, individual cells inevitably deviate in voltage and capacity due to manufacturing tolerances and varying degradation rates. The ECU employs passive or active balancing circuits to equalize these differences, ensuring no single cell is overstressed or underutilized, thus maintaining overall pack performance. Beyond direct battery control, the ECU facilitates communication across the vehicle's electrical architecture and with external infrastructure. Utilizing protocols like CAN bus, it exchanges data with the powertrain, climate control, and telematics systems. For external charging, it interfaces with charging stations via standards like ISO 15118, enabling smart grid integration and vehicle-to-grid V2G functionalities. These smart charging systems are also designed with sophisticated diagnostic capabilities. The ECU continuously monitors for anomalies, such as unexpected voltage drops or temperature spikes. Upon detecting deviations, it can trigger fault codes, initiate safe shutdown procedures, or limit power, preventing further damage and alerting the driver or service technician to potential issues. The future of smart charging promises even greater precision and adaptability. Integrating machine learning algorithms allows ECUs to learn individual battery degradation patterns, further optimizing charge profiles for unprecedented longevity. Advancements in ultra-fast charging technologies and robust vehicle-to-grid systems will continue to redefine energy management in automotive applications. Understanding these intricate systems is crucial for appreciating the longevity and performance of modern electric vehicles. Consider how this advanced management impacts your next vehicle purchase.